Let's take a look at this HoneyBull walking cane that the brand sent to me as a sample to make this video, but that never changes what I say in my reviews. And I was interested in this cane because HoneyBull is a top cane supplier on Amazon, and I've previously reviewed another mobility product by HoneyBull that impressed me quite a bit. Now, the most important things to consider when the time comes for a cane are comfort and stability. And I always keep in mind that a quality cane isn't just about extra support, it's an investment in freedom and independence. And with that thought, this cane is a big step up from a traditional hooked cane that used to be the standard. It'll help you get back on your feet with a lightweight but sturdy construction that'll quickly become an extension of you. It's made of sturdy and lightweight aluminum, and it comes in a variety of colors to match your individual preferences. The ergonomic handle is constructed using a sturdy plastic, but that's not all. The handle also has a rubbery or silicone type material insert along this top edge and the underside of the handle, and also in this black area around the post just below the handle. This ensures that you always have a firm, no slip grip on the handle, even when your hands are perhaps a little sweaty. And because we sometimes have hands that are slightly weaker or have sore joints, there's a wrist leash that you can use so that you never accidentally drop it. The post has a single continuous elastic bungee cord running through all three segments so that you can easily fold it down without having it clatter into multiple pieces onto the ground. And to make it simple, the wrist leash doubles as a restraint when it's folded. You simply slide the leash to the middle of the three folded pieces and then wrap it around and secure it in place using these metal buttons. When it's time to go, you simply unbutton the wrist leash restraint and put the three segments back together with just friction. One of the most important things when using a cane for the first time is setting the height. You only need to do this once, and it's easy, but it's important to do it right so that you maximize comfort and stability. To do this, just use the button and hole mechanism in the top section to adjust the top of the handle to be right at wrist level when your arms are hanging freely while standing. Once you have the height set, lock it in place by tightly screwing on the metal collar. The base of the cane has three grippy pads to accommodate a variety of surfaces and terrains. They're made of a very hard, rubbery material that is replaceable but should withstand very long-term wear and tear. Having three pads instead of one like the old single pads that were more common back in the days of the hook-shaped cane is a big upgrade. This ensures you have more surface area in contact with the ground, offering enhanced stability. The three pads have the ability to slightly pivot or swivel and flex at the point where it attaches to the cane, but don't worry, it's not loose. The movement is restrained significantly by a mechanism that puts tension on the base so that the more it flexes, the more it resists that flex. So it has a natural feel and definitely doesn't just wobble and twist freely. And I realize this swiveling and flexing might sound unstable or even counterintuitive at first, but this swiveling design can help all three pads to better remain in contact with the ground on uneven surfaces. And when the base angle flexes, it can make it easier to navigate on stairs or other uneven terrain. But that's not all, because one of the best things about this cane is that it can stand beside you when you don't need it, like when you're seated at a table or even in the bathroom. It's no fun trying to find something to lean a cane against, and it's even worse when the cane slides away from that and falls to the floor. So having these 3 feet that allow the cane to stand really comes in handy. So I hope this short video has helped you decide whether to purchase this HoneyBull walking cane for yourself or someone you love, and thanks for watching.